Shakshuka. Correct? Shakshuka.
I'm in trouble! We got a Shuka team over here.
This is delicious. I can taste the spinach, the onion, the egg gives it a real nice texture. I can eat this one every night. Shakshuka.